Discover the artistry in every step as we unveil the secrets of woodworking and the precision behind timeless creations. Let's dive into this fascinating process now. Wow, hold on. Cutting down trees, no. This is way worse than it looks. That's exhilarating, isn't it, everyone? The driver's skills are truly top-notch, and their nerves of steel are incredible. Not everyone can pull that off. The Ransom RS H40 stump grinder designed for compact excavators. But don't let that fool you. This beast can handle massive stumps with ease. You don't believe it? Watch this video. You know how people say don't judge a book by its cover? Well, that totally applies to this log. It's rough and rugged on the outside, but the inside is just beautiful. Oh, and by the way, every time this guy reaches for the wood, it startles me, really gives me a scare. I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling experience. You can plan all you want, but every log is different. Every cut is a gamble. You gotta respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. Because when those logs start moving, they don't care how much experience you have. Witness the intricacies of logging operations as a skilled crew navigates challenging terrain to set up a log loader. Observe their expertise in maneuvering heavy machinery, like skidders and dozers, even in wet conditions. This is real-world logging, folks, raw and unfiltered. The Ransom Sharp-Tooth Stump Harvester initially struck me as unorthodox. However, witnessing its raw power and efficiency firsthand was a game changer. Its ability to effortlessly pulverize massive stumps is redefining land clearing operations. Years of growth have made them incredibly dense, and heavy felling them is a precise operation, and loading the logs requires significant force. You can see the power of that excavator as it wrestles those massive logs onto the truck. You know, it's funny. We think we're so smart with our gadgets and gizmos, but Mother Nature always has the last laugh. Let's talk about something that'll make your hair stand on end. It's a lumberjack's nemesis, always keeping them on their toes. Are you curious? Of course you are. Let's dive in and see what this bad boy is all about. That's as tough as it is efficient. Look no further. This excavator attachment features a direct transmission system for optimal power and speed. While it's durable, tungsten teeth make easy work of any stump. Maneuverability, no problem. This grinder swings side to side, eliminating stumps wherever they are. This is nothing short of amazing. The Pizzolatto PTH 1400/1000 all-road is a symbol of how far technology can take us. With its 700 horsepower Volvo engine, producing 380 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, it's a perfect blend of power and efficiency. An innovation marvel, the lifting and rotating cabin gives you effortless control and precision, truly redefining forest machinery. This wood chipper may appear innocuous at first glance, but its capabilities are truly remarkable. It can process trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter and generate 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. The video evokes a sense of awe and perhaps even a touch of fear, highlighting the raw power of this machine. Well, this gentleman has constructed a woodcutter in his backyard. While the initial setup required some effort, the operation is now remarkably simple and safe. I anticipate further refinements and improvements to this impressive creation. She's full of surprises, that's for sure. Keeps us on our toes. Now this, my friends, is what I call a wood splitter, the box wedge hickory series. With its 42-ton cylinder and 48 GPM hydraulic system, turns tough jobs into pure pleasure. Imagine slicing through those hefty logs with the grace of a seasoned lumberjack. That's the magic of the 6-way wedge. It's not just power, it's finesse. This machine taps into the tree's natural growth process. By removing the dead branches, we're essentially redirecting the tree's energy towards lateral growth. It's like therapy for trees, helping them reach their full potential and produce the most beautiful knot-free timber. I've seen a lot of debarkers in my time, but the Raver WD-1400 is in a league of its own. It handles massive logs, any wood type you throw at it, and the optical detection system is spot on. Smooth speed control, minimal downtime. This machine is a real workhorse if you're serious about sawmill efficiency. The Raver WD-1400 is the way to go. You guys are gonna love this. The Petzolato All-Road is a total beast. It's got the power to handle anything you throw at it, but it's also super agile. And check out that cabin, talk about comfortable. This machine is a dream come true. For anyone who works with wood, you gotta see it to believe it. Now that's what I call impressive. Navigating those inclines with that kind of weight is no easy feat. The driver's expertise was evident, and the truck's power was undeniable. I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling experience. You can plan all you want, but every log is different. Every cut is a gamble. You gotta respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. Because when those logs start moving, they don't care how much experience you have. Seriously, you couldn't pay me enough to do that. Hats off to those who can. The freezing temperatures, the icy wood, the treacherous snow. It's a recipe for disaster. But these men, true professionals, conquer the elements with their TDT55 and get the job done. Their skill and determination are truly impressive. In Sweden's vast forests, the Hypro 755 HP harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge Hypro FG45 clamp, fells trees up to 45 centimeters thick with remarkable ease. Even those with complex root systems are no problem. This machine operates with surgical precision, promoting a healthy forest ecosystem. Wow, check out the precision on this operator. He's got a masterful command of that cat. 305E2, every movement is deliberate. Every maneuver is calculated. See how he uses the machine's weight and leverage to extract that massive root ball. That's textbook excavation technique right there. A true professional. When it comes to unmatched versatility, the OS 870 Helgum shines. Built to excel in the forest, it hauls 12 tons with effortless strength and stays stable on rugged terrains, whether forwarding logs or processing timber. This machine is ready for the challenge, and with the OSA 710 processor, the Genzhim 593R truck is a game changer in the world of wood processing. Its impressive 300 liter per hour capacity and 1.4 meters make it ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether you're running a small heating plant or a large-scale biomass operation, this machine delivers. And with its compatibility with 3-axle trucks, you'll be maximizing your productivity and minimizing downtime. Land management is about maximizing resources. The VM6 OS turns site clearing into an asset. Instead of waste, you generate valuable mulch that improves soil conditions and supports future growth. It's a win-win. Clear land efficiently and boost your ecological footprint. The Ransom Shark-Tooth Stump Harvester initially struck me as unorthodox. However, witnessing its raw power and efficiency firsthand was a game changer. Its ability to effortlessly pulverize massive stumps is redefining land clearing operations, setting a new benchmark for productivity in forestry. These trees are impressive, no doubt. Years of growth have made them incredibly dense, and heavy felling them is a precise operation, and loading the logs requires significant force. You can see the power of that excavator as it wrestles those massive logs onto the truck. You know how people say don't judge a book by its cover? Well, that totally applies to this log. It's rough and rugged on the outside, but the inside is just beautiful. Oh, and by the way, every time this guy reaches for the wood, it startles me, really gives me a scare. That's exhilarating, isn't it, everyone? The driver's skills are truly top-notch, and their nerves of steel are incredible. Not everyone can pull that off.